Uh-oh, no driver likes the sound of a dead battery. But it happens to the best of us. When it does, there's no need to panic. We're here to show you how to charge your battery using a heavy-duty charger. Remember, safety first. Make sure your car is parked in a well-ventilated area and turned off. Your engine and battery should be fully cool before you get started. Don't forget your gloves and safety glasses. Now, let's take a look. Pop the hood and check out your battery. Do you notice any cracks, bulging, or a rotten egg smell? If so, this is a job for the experts. If the coast is clear, it's time to get charging. First, disconnect the negative terminal, followed by the positive terminal of your battery. Check to make sure your charger is off. Then attach the positive charger cable to the positive battery terminal. Now, connect the negative charger cable to your vehicle's frame or any stable metal part away from the battery. Set your battery charger to the correct voltage and amperage. Charging a battery at a lower amperage will take longer, but it's generally safer and better for battery health than a fast, high amperage charge. You can find out the correct settings by consulting your car's manual and the instructions that come with your charger. Now, turn on your battery charger and wait. It can take several hours for a full charge. If you have an automatic charger, it will shut off when the battery is fully charged. Others will have a light that turns on to let you know it's done charging. Don't let your battery overcharge. Once the charge is complete, it's time to remove the cables. Always start with the negative cable. Unclamp it from the car frame, then move on to the positive cable. Reconnect the battery cable's positive side first, and make sure all the connections are secure. You're done! Doesn't a fully charged battery feel good? Like and follow our channel for more tips, or visit us at gocbs.com. Continental Battery Systems, the single source solution.